Hi everybody. In the previous video, we were discussing about different factors that is influencing the consumer behavior. It include the cultural factors and also social factors. In this video, we are going to study about personal factors. Personal factors include the age of the consumer, self-concept of the consumer, lifestyle of the consumer, values of the consumer, and the personality of the consumer, wealth and occupation of the consumer, and also the life cycle stage of the consumer. So let us see in detail. Age and life cycle stage. So age means we know that so depending upon the age of a person, for a kid the needs and wants will be different and the behavior will be different. For an youth the behavior will be different. For an adult the behavior will be different, and for old age people the behavior will be different. So our taste in food, clothes, furniture and recreation is often related to our age. It is also shaped by the family life cycle and the number, age, and gender of the people in the household at any point of time. So, even the age and the number of members that is included in the family, and also the gender of the people, whether they are male or female, the behavior of a male will be different from the behavior of a female consumer. So, age and life cycle stage of the consumer plays an important role in consumer behavior. And next is the family cycle. Family cycle is also playing an important role. A bachelor will be having different wants, a married one will be having different behavior. Parents or a family including the children will be having different behavior, and the young and the middle aged one will be having different behavior. Then a parent will be having different behavior. Father will be having a behavior and mother will also be having a behavior. When they are becoming older, then they will be having different behavior. And if the parents are become aged one, then they will be having different behavior. And if once if they become single, whether the father or the mother has passed away, and if a single person is living, then they will be also having a different behavior. So the family life cycle of a person will be having different consumer behavior. And next is occupation and economic circumstances. Occupation also influences the consumption pattern, and product and brand choice are also affected by economic circumstances. That is, they will be spending more spendable income. There will be the saving habits will be different, assets, debts, borrowing power, and attitude towards spending and saving. So these are the different occupations of a people, and also the economic circumstances also determines the buying behavior of the consumer. So occupation influences them. If they are highly salaried employees, their behavior will be different. They are low salaried employees, then the behavior will be different. And also the product and brand choice, that is always affected by the economic circumstances. Sometimes people will be spending more income, sometimes there will be character to save more. So all these characters are influencing the consumer behavior. And next is the personality and self concept. Personality means each person has personality characteristics that influence his or her buying behavior. Personality means a set of distinguishing human psychological traits that lead to relatively constant and enduring responses to environmental stimuli, and this includes the buying behavior also. And the personality, next is the self concept. So different people will be having different views of their own. Consumers often choose and use brands that relate with their actual self concept, although the match may instead be based on the consumer's ideal self concept. That is how we would like to view ourselves, or even on others self concept, that is how we think others see us. So these are the two concepts that is working in an individual. One is how we would like to view ourselves, and second one is how we think others see us. So personality and self concept plays an important role in the consumer behavior. And next is the lifestyle and values. A lifestyle is a person's pattern of living in the world as expressed in activities, interests, and opinions. It portrays the person's interacting with his or her environment. So lifestyle means different people will be having different lifestyle, different gender will be having different lifestyle, people residing in different region will be having different lifestyle, people belonging to different religion will be having different lifestyle. So lifestyle is a person's pattern of living in the world, and it is expressed by activities, interests, and opinions. And next is the values. Values are the belief systems that underlie attitude and behavior, and value go much deeper than behavior or attitude, and it determines people's choices and desires over the long term. So value means it is a belief system, and it includes the attitude and behavior of the people, and it is much deeper than behavior and attitude also. So values are the things which people possess of their own. So values possessed by different people are also determining the consumer behavior. So that's all about this video. In this video, we were discussing about the personal factors. Personal factors include the age and life cycle stage. It includes the family life cycle. It includes the occupation and economic circumstances of the people, and it includes the personality and self concept, and also the lifestyle and values. So that's all about this video. Thank you all for listening to me.